Good morning. We're filming on this camera on a 360 camera, so hopefully it doesn't turn out too awfully. We're putting pannier racks on this morning. I don't have a lot of time, so I've already kind of mise en placed what I think I need. So we're going to go ahead and see how difficult I can make this job. I kind of sort of read the directions. Not a lot of directions to have, really. We're just going to go ahead and get started. So I guess the first thing we should probably do is, what's step one? There is no step one. Okay, so we'll start assembling these. So this goes here and that goes there. So we need two medium size ones, I think, or small size ones. What do we need? Medium size goes there, small size goes there. So we need these. This goes here and that goes there. We shouldn't tighten these up all the way till we get it on, but so we're not. Wait, is this the right way? Yes. So I got this from Poland, a company called Lartech. I think, oh, it's already scratched up. That's right. Well, it's came all the way from Poland, and they gave it was pretty rough when I got it. It's all banged up, so good enough. I don't care. It's fast shipping, especially coming from Europe, but nobody else makes one of these, so we're going to throw it on and see how big of a disaster I can make this. So I did tons of research, and by tons of research I Google and YouTube, and this is the only one of these I could find. I did find it, a guy on an XMax doing like Asia and stuff. I can't remember what his YouTube channel is, but I'll put the link in the description. I don't know a lot of people that run these. I don't know a lot of XMax people, so if you're an XMax people, say hi, I guess. So that's done. Now I need to disconnect a couple things. Let's see how fast we can do this. Oh, that wasn't on there very tight. Not very tight at all. Should I Loctite these? We'll see. I'll put it on. We'll see if it gets loose. Then I'll Loctite them. I'll probably Loctite them anyway, but I'm not going to do that right now. Come over here and do the other. So I'm trying to make my videos shorter because I have a tendency to make very long videos. So we'll see how long this video is. Speed running this thing. For me anyway. I have an impact driver or impact wrench or one of them. Still packed up from the Cannonball last year. I haven't gotten it out yet. And again, we're filming here because my garage is a mess. It doesn't say to keep that washer, to lose that washer. We're going to leave it. Pull this little plug here. Now, we're also going to be installing the things to mount the bags. I won't make that a separate video, so we'll just try to be super quick. Oh yeah, I gotta keep that because it's got like a little sleeve thingy. So that's definitely part of it. Okay. So now I need to back out the shock mounts. I don't know what the torque is on this, but we'll look it up later. Okay, that's one. And do the other side. Don't fight me. Okay, we're cooking now. I think the centerpiece goes facing like that. Okay, one and two. Okay, that's in. Now this side goes here. So what size is this? Not super clear. Fixation points. Okay, so the medium short ones go there. The long short ones go there. You know, those technical terms, long short ones. So this goes here. And that goes there. This goes here. Do I have these backwards? I have these backwards. Anything worth doing is worth doing twice. Isn't that right? Okay, so we need this one again, and this. Anything worth doing is worth doing twice. I don't know if I want to set music to this. Probably not. Maybe. People hate my music, but I don't care. This one goes on this one. Right? No, it's only... Wait a second. Yeah, that's right. That's right now. It didn't look right. Is anything worth doing 3 times? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Okay, that's enough. Now we put this back on where it was. Yep, that goes there. And then that gets a screw. The medium short ones go here. No! Second set of hands would be helpful. Okay, so that's on. Now I gotta do the other side. This is not a how-to channel. I said that before. It says it needs to go in this hole, not that hole. So glad I looked. Okay. I got things I gotta do today. This is just one of them. I actually don't need to do this today, but I want to, so that's the same thing. It seems to be really solidly made. It just should. I think I can tighten stuff up now. Not too tight, not too little tight. Just the right amount of tight. The ones that were in there, the original ones, weren't very tight, so that doesn't necessarily mean they shouldn't be, but I have the service manual. Go in and look. A couple ugga-duggas ought to do it. I can tighten those, and then I'll go do the shocks before I forget anymore, because I forgot those. And stainless steel hardware can be nice, but soft as shoot. I guess I'm trying not to say bad words. I never know my left from my right. Loose and tight, whatever. It's on there? Yes, it's on there. Okay. Technically it's on now. What do we think? It doesn't look awful. Can you even tell it's on there? Not really. Okay. I think it looks alright. Now the next step's going to be fun, because now we have to mount the mounts. So we put these on so we could add these and make this thing 12 miles wide. Problem is that the instructions that came, you don't want to see my butt, the instructions that came with it were for SW Motec mounts, not this one. So let's see what we got here. What do I have? Okay, I don't... Oh, we have 4 of these. We need 4 of these. So we need 2 for each one of the latches. So that and this. Then we've got those 4. So we have to have 4 of these, right? Then we've only got 4 washers. I don't know if that's how it's got to be, but that's how we're going to do it. So it only goes on one way, I guess. Some of the stuff I get from Japan or whatever, all the instructions are in Japanese, and this one has no instructions, so I guess that's technically worse. But am I going to have to take this off to do this? I might. Time out. Time in. It would have been easier if I did it before taking it up, before doing this, but I didn't, so I'm going to do it the hard way. Let's make sure it works before I tighten everything up. So it goes there. Yes. Hold on, let's do our bumpers. So there's some bumpers too, I think. How's this taking the longest? Okay, one bumper. Probably cut that end off because it's sticking out pretty far. And then how am I going to get this one? I don't want to take this whole thing off. Pro tip. Put this on before you mount it. Because it sucks doing it after. Good thing I didn't Loctite everything. The third time I'm doing this. Here you go, pro tip. Do that. Don't do what I did. Just all for this. This is all I needed to do. I'm going to save myself some aggravation and take the other side off to mount all these things. I should have used Windex or something. Let's do that. But why are we working so hard? Time out. Alright, time in. Couldn't find my Windex, but I found my silicone lubricant, so we're just going to use that. Why is this so difficult? What is the trick that I'm not getting? I almost feel like these bumpers are optional. Time out. Alright, time in. We're going to dry pliers. Don't want to rip it. And I'm ripping it. Dang it. There we go. Wow, that was brutal. We're going to cut that off, but not at the moment. Okay, so now this goes back on real quick. And you never saw it, it never happened. And then we'll do the other side, and then we'll be done. Just like that, we're done. Still got to cut off the things, and I totally didn't take it halfway apart to move the washers up here. Definitely didn't do that. But we are now cooking. I think it looks pretty good. Not about looks, it's about functionality. We'll have to get there. We get cases already scratched up. Already having adventures. Let's see how wide this sucker is. So we are at roughly 42 inches. 42, 43 inches. It's wider than a Goldwing by about 6 inches. It's alright. Alright. Don't know how to end this video. So, let's just end it. Overall, it's really easy install. I would suggest mounting the monokey mounts before the racks themselves to save you some aggravation. But there it is. Thanks for watching.